The DOH Staff Data Form, also known as the CID form, is a mandatory requirement by the Department of Health, DOH, for all healthcare professionals seeking to practice in the Emirate of Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi, ranked first globally for safety, Numbeo 2024, leaves no room for compromise. The CID, Criminal Investigation Department, meticulously vets every applicant through this form to ensure only qualified, trustworthy individuals join its elite healthcare sector. This isn't just paperwork, it's your key to safeguarding lives in the world's safest city. One oversight? Your application stalls. Let's perfect it. Let's fill this correctly using Ahmed Hamdan's case study. He's a Jordanian nurse applying from Amman. Personal details. Ahmed's passport rules every detail. Full name, Ahmed Ali Musa Hamdan. No initials, match the passport exactly. Family name, Hamdan, surname only. Place of birth, Amman, Jordan, city plus country as in passport. Religion, Muslim, religious section. Sunni, mandatory for Muslims. Ahmed visited UAE as a tourist last year, so his UAE entry 21-2024 via Dubai Airport, DXB. Always use consistent date formatting. Day or month 1 year. Sponsor and employment. Let's clarify sponsor and employment for applicants like Ahmed who are outside the UAE. Sponsor. In the UAE, sponsor only refers to your UAE employer. Since Ahmed has never worked in the UAE, write NA. Profession and present work. This refers to Ahmed's current job even if outside the UAE. Profession, nurse B. Present work, Jordan Hospital. These fields apply only to UAE employment. Bank salary office number. Please ensure your passport is valid for at least 7 months from the application date. Now, let's proceed by completing this information for Ahmed. Passport number, enter exactly as printed. For Ahmed, G00Z. Date of issue, 15th of December 2024. Place of issue, city plus country as in passport, Amman, Jordan. Expiry date, 14th of December 2029, residence visa section. Residence visa number NA. Ahmed has never worked in the UAE. Date, place of issue, NA, expiry date, NA. If you've ever held a UAE residence visa even 25 years ago, you must list it here. Ahmed hasn't, so we write NA. Education and languages education. Provide highest degree only. For Ahmed, Bachelor of Nursing, degree title. School, University, University of Jordan. Country, where the institution is located. Jordan. Date of graduation, 19th January 2022. Family, Ahmed is married, therefore under the marital status section, we will provide his wife's full details. Her full name as per passport, Sarah Jad Ahmed Hamdan. Nationality, Jordanian. Date of birth, 23rd July 2001. Present work, Arab Bank. Ahmed has 1 child, so will only enter his daughter's first name as Diana. Parents. Your parents' details are important and must mirror passports to avoid name-matching flags. Father name, Ali Musa. Ali Hamdan, full name as per passport. Nationality, Jordanian. Date of birth, 10/04/1971. Place of birth, Amman, Jordan. Present work, Orange Telecom profession, project manager mother name, Anna Johns, nationality, British, date of birth, 19/06/1975. Place of birth, London, UK. Present work, housewife, as she is not working currently. Profession, housewife relatives and friends in UAE. Prioritize UAE-based contacts. For Ahmed, relatives, he is providing his cousin's details that are working in Abu Dhabi. Michael Johns, British, ADHQ, Abu Dhabi. Salim Ahmed Hamdan, Jordanian, M42, Abu Dhabi. Friends. 1. Ahmed Saleh, Syrian, Burjeel Hospital. 2. Sami Anwar Jibawi, Palestinian, Cleveland Clinic. Accommodation. Since Ahmed is currently residing in Jordan, we will fill his address in Jordan. District Abdun, Amman. Street, Salam Street, Building 12, 2nd floor, Flat 210. Owner is optional, I am just leaving it blank. Tel Mobile, better to use your own contact details. For Ahmed, we will write his landline, SIS, and his mobile number. Travel and work history. Ahmed hasn't previously worked in the UAE, so we'll leave the job practiced in the state section blank. Countries visited: UK, USA, Canada, Turkey, and Saudi Arabia. Worked in Jordan and Saudi Arabia. We'll leave the vehicle particulars section blank since Ahmed doesn't own a vehicle in the United Arab Emirates. Ahmed hasn't previously served in the military, so we'll leave this section blank as well. We'll also leave the date of appointment section blank as it's optional. Final steps. Submission protocol O. Fill the form electronically using a desktop computer. Mobile devices are not recommended due to formatting risks. O. Print the form, then thoroughly review every field for accuracy. Cross-check against your passport, visas, and supporting documents. O. Sign the form and add the current date. The CID check is just one step in your healthcare licensing journey. At TalenDir, with 13 years of specialized experience in the UAE, our expert team handles every aspect of the licensing process, from data flow verification to final approval, ensuring a seamless, stress-free experience. Visit TalenDir.com or contact us today to discover our comprehensive licensing and career enhancement services. Our offerings include end-to-end healthcare professional licensing support, mock interview sessions with personalized feedback, cultural coaching, and world-class resume tailoring, significantly enhancing your chances of securing a rewarding career in the UAE.